Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to Portfolio Optimizer Pro. Is your money safe? Well, with Portfolio Optimizer Pro, you can find safer ways to invest. No sign up required, just hit this button to get started. Bring you over to our intuitive dashboard where you can enter different assets such as stocks, crypto, ETFs, and indices. For this example, I'll hit this button here to load in some preloaded stocks and hit this blue button. You'll see the confirmation down here in the bottom right where you can scroll down and set your goals. So based on what your preferences are, you can set that here. So let's say you want the safest portfolio and you're looking for something that's balanced. We have a 5% min holding, and most in the stock, we'll just leave that there. So you hit check my risk score. Keep in mind, this is not investment advice. This is an educational tool only used by you to make informed decisions. So you can see the optimization is completed. If you want to share this with any friends, you can have the opportunity to get some rewards. If you share with up to 10 friends, you can get a free pro membership. You can track that here. Here you can see a list of the stocks in the portfolio with their growth over a 41-year period. You can see the period here. Coming down here, you can see the correlation of the different stocks. The more blue you have, the better. And basically, this is an easy way to see how correlated or uncorrelated your stocks are. Coming down here, you can see a portfolio grade. You want to aim for an A+ if possible. You can see some information down here. That's suggestions from the tool. And you can also hit calculate ROI to get some information. Let's say you have a portfolio of $1,000. You can estimate that you'll make around $60 in annual gain per year based on this portfolio mix. Down, we have the mix of stocks here and what the estimated growth is, how bumpy the ride is, and what the grade is, and the weights. So basically, you could, if you had $1,000, you could distribute your stocks amongst that. Typically, with the setting I showed you guys, you would have more minimum holdings, 25 minimum holdings here, to give you a more rich portfolio. You can come down here, see information about if you put $10,000 in, what it'd be worth after 3 years. Obviously, this is based on past results, which do not indicate future results. You can see this mix compared to the average stock market, and if you were to split evenly. This provides recommendations on what you should change and why you should make these changes. And then you can see more information such as the efficient frontier, the risk contribution. So Oracle clearly is the riskiest because it's the highest allocation. A stress test, which shows the bull and bear case scenarios, as well as a base case scenario. We also have AI insights, basic smart tips into your portfolio. Easy to read and digest information. You can also track your portfolio performance here and compare them to other runs that you've done. In terms of pricing, we have a free trial you can try out. and see if you like it. No credit card is required. You can do unlimited basic checks on your portfolio. If you want a deeper, richer analysis like I just showed you, you can do a one-time payment of $3.99, or you can do a $12 a month payment if you're doing more regular rebalancing. We do have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you have any problems, you can just reach out to us on this email. We'll get back to you within a week or less. If you have any questions, you can see some frequently asked questions down here, as well as some information about efficient frontier and what it is, how to understand it. See information about the Sharpe ratio, what that is, why it matters. And you can learn about the AI portfolio optimization and how it's completed. So again, if you want to try this out, we are offering a 50% off discount code Black Friday 50. On checkout, you can get 50% off 3 months for the monthly plan. So you can try that out. But again, this is Alex with Portfolio Optimizer Pro, and hope you take care.